This is the experience of the decade as two great action stars get together in the blockbuster of the year. Myrick Films presents Fernandez versus Fernandez. They are Pader at Rejas.
Ako, Cardo, tigil naman ang ka-arte mo. Akong palaging pinalalabas mong double crosser. Nasa'yo naman yung bag,
Binaligtad mo na naman ako. Lagi kang ganyan. Ikaw itong nagpapanggap eh.
When they clash, all hell breaks loose. Also headlining this mighty adventure is George Estrigan.
Hindi na kailangan pag-isipan pa. Wala kang gagawin. Kundi lipitin ang gamit mo. At akutin mo!
Donna Villa. And amid all the controversy, Ana Marin.
Pepe! Cardo! Tama na! Hanggang dito ba naman nag-aaway pa kayo?
Juan Rodrigo.
Teniente Ramirez na may paso-galang kayo dito. Kung sa akin lang, kaya kong pagpasensya niya basta walang gulo.
Fernandez versus Fernandez. They are explosively uncontrollable. Susan Bautista.
Ano ba talaga yun?
Rez Cortez.
Meron ako kaibigan mayaman na makapagbibigay siya ng 6,000 kailangan mo.
Pader at Rejas. Its impact is so unbearable, each moment will stagger you. And lending the light touch, Dencio Padilla. Pader at Rejas. When Eddie loves, no woman can stand her ground. When Rudy romances, no woman can hold back.
Yaka itong pera mo!
Patito Diaz. Pader at Rejas. Fernandez versus Fernandez. When they go against each other, there are no holds barred.
Gusto ko sa gabi nito. Nangkinig mo na ako.
But when Fernandez joins Fernandez, no one can stand in their way, much less dare to stand in their way. Together in this motion picture are Valdemar, Val Iglesia, Ray Sagum, Ernie Porter, Mario Marasiga, Carlos de Leon. It's nerve-wracking action from beginning to end. The mightiest of action epics ever brought your way. Fernandez. And Fernandez. In the unmatchable thrill of the year. Pader at Rejas. Pader at Rejas. From the widely read story by Carlo J. Caparaz. Another masterwork from director Nilo Saez.